Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have bring you a new AI tool through which you can create a picture by using some description. Yeah, so let us go to that tool itself. Its name is Blue Willow. Blue Willow. Yeah. So this is a brand new tool by which you can create a image from text. So let us go to this website. It is a Blue Willow. So basically it is hosted on Discord, which is also one server, and by using this tool you can create a beautiful amazing picture. So in order to join this tool, what you need to do, you just need to click on the join beta version, so you will be redirected into this Discord. If you don't have the account of Discord, please generate the account using Google or Microsoft. Okay, so once you are good to go with this Blue Willow, you will be redirected into the server. So this is a Blue Willow AI server, and here this is a screen, and this is a display area where you need to put a text. So by using the text, it will give you picture. Okay, so let us see how we can generate. So here you can see the plus symbol is there. Here click on this use app and be patient and have a quick view. So here there will be a imaging message. All right, so okay, this is use app imagine. Where is imaging? Oh yeah, so it is imaging. Okay, so here the prompt will be open. Now what you need to do, you just need to give the description. Beautiful flower with sun rising scene. Okay, and hit enter. So this will take some time, maybe 10 seconds or so, and it will give you the beautiful picture. See here, someone has given the description here, and it has given the beautiful photo from this description. All right, so what I'll do, I'll copy paste this description, and I will add a few words and we'll see what is coming. Okay, where is my photo, my photo, my photo. See here, yeah, this is my photo, a beautiful flower with sun shining scene. Okay, so now in this case there are four buttons: u1, u2, u3, u4, and v1, v2, v3, v4. Okay, so what you need to do, if you hit u1, that means this is a u1, u2, u3, and u4. This is like the picture, and v1 is the variant. Variant in the sense, if you click v1, that means it will show you the variant of four variant of this picture. Say for example v1 and u1. So here down the line, I will see v1 and u1. See, somebody has put a comment like phonics legendary in 8K, so it has been popped up phonics. So it has been given me the u1 picture. Okay, now what I'll do, here I got four pictures. Okay, now see, this is someone else's picture and I like it, and if I want to take it, what I need to do, I need to just click u1 and v1. Okay, so this picture will be down, it will give me the picture, and it will also give me the four variant of that picture. Okay, so this is one, and if I want to take this picture, go to the browser and you will see this kind of things. Please put a save as. Okay, so once you put a save as, this image will be saved and it is your image. So let us back to my picture. Where is my picture? Yeah, I put it 4. Okay, now say for example I want this one, so I will click U, so I will get the image. Great, it is mind blowing. Go to the browser and let me see how this image is there. Okay, and just save it. So this is your image. So I hope you like this AI tool called Blue Willow. If you have any question, feel free to enter in the comment section. I have also given the link in the comment section. You can just hit and join it. Thank you very much for watching my video.